Hello students. The previous class रे देखते the equivalent capacitance of some circuits. तो आज हम देखिए the equivalent dielectric constant. Already. So how can you find out the equivalent dielectric constant? Equivalent dielectric constant. Dielectric constant. Equivalent means a single dielectric that replaced by a number of dielectrics. है तो first case जो देखिए case. So what is the equivalent dielectric constant? Suppose the arrangement is like this. Suppose this is the two plates of a capacitor and they are separated by some distance d. Clear? Next, one of the dielectric is placed like this. This is the dielectric of thickness, let it be T1, and this is another dielectric, let it be thickness T2. Clear? So this is the dielectric of a dielectric constant K1. K1 is the dielectric constant of this dielectric. K2 is the dielectric constant of this another dielectric. Clear? These are the two different dielectrics of a different dielectric constant. So what is the equivalent dielectric? What is the equivalent dielectric? Arthat, in the place of these two dielectric, we use another dielectric. Suppose distance is same thing d. They are replaced by a single dielectric. We use a single dielectric of dielectric constant, let it be K. K equivalent by K effective. तो let K effective by K equivalent कहते हैं. कौन अब ना to for the same job आपको हमें जति की potential difference तो जति की charge store है एठी मध्य सती charge store है अर्थात यदि टैंकर capacity जहाँ R मध्य capacity से तले this is how can you find out the K equivalent केमते हम बाहर करिबा this can be expressed by तल this is equivalent to good this is equivalent to तले वर्तमान देखो तले इटा उटे plate and this is another plate among this is a dielectric तो dielectric रा काम है to gets polarized जदि हमें प्लस क्यू चार्ज दबा ताले कौन हम गोटे डाइलेक्ट्रिक रे आमे गोटे डाइलेक्ट्रिक टाको आमे कौन करे गोटे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भितर पास करेबा ताले एपटे जदि प्लस क्यू हबो ताले दिस साइड इज माइनस क्यू ताले बर्तन से कहै छी ताले दिस अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द टू कैपेसिटर्स इज लाइक दिस ताले दिस इज ए कैपेसिटर ऑफ अ डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट K1 एटा डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट K1 थिकनेस केते रहला T1 plus आउ कौन रहला this is connected in series इति कहाँ सहित this is the another capacitor of a dielectric केते ना K2 this is the another capacitor of a dielectric केते K2 thickness केते T2 clear तल this is equivalent to this हला तल what we get तल प्रथम देखिबा आर कैपेसिटी केते गला सपोज आर कैपेसिटी केते हला C1 आर कैपेसिटी केते C2 हला the C1 and C2 are the capacity of each capacitor. So now find out the capacity of each capacitor. So what is the C1? तले C1 we can find out C1 yes C1 केते epsilon 0 Ka by d हमार कौन थिला in a parallel plate capacitor that is called epsilon 0 Ka divided by d. Then in this case the capacity कहते हैं epsilon C1 तो C1 कहते रहला epsilon 0 s K कहते हैं K1 dielectric constant K1 A that is the area of each plate, let it be A divided by thickness कहते हैं T1 yes we can write T1. Then in this case what is the capacity C2 तले C2 we can write epsilon 0 K2 A divided by T2 clear hela tale eta hela C1 this C2 this these two are connected in series if these two are connected in series tale what is the equivalent capacitance tale yes we can write the equivalent capacitance tale 1 by connected in series that is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 hela tale this is equal to kete agala tale we can write 1 by C1 tale that is equal to 1 by epsilon 0 K1 A divided by T1 plus 1 by kete gala epsilon 0 K2 A divided by T2 yes this is equal to 1 by CS next tale theta equivalent capacity kiye tale this is the equivalent capacity heladi tale our equivalent capacity kete hala tale C is equal to kete hobo equivalent capacity suppose we can write C dash tale that is equal to epsilon 0 A divided by SL epsilon 0 K A K equivalent A divided by D hela tale C dash is equal to epsilon 0 K equivalent A by D hela tale bartan eita bartan dekho tale what is 1 by C dash we can write 1 by C dash is equal to kete gala tale 1 by epsilon 0 K equivalent A by D yes hela tale A theta equivalent jaha eta se now equate these two tale idhar equate kar diyo tale kon paile equate kar dale tale we get tale 1 by epsilon 0 K equivalent A divided by D is equal to kete balla 1 by yes adi epsilon 0 A common nei pariba epsilon 0 A common nei as pariba tal that is equal to kete gala ati 1 by epsilon 0 tal K 1 by K1 by T1 plus 1 by K2 by T2 yes 1 by K2 by T2 then we get cancel out hela tale kon paile thi tale 1 by K equivalent by D is equal to kete paile thi 1 by K1 equivalent by T1 plus 1 by K2 equivalent by K2 by T2 clear so this is the expression for the equivalent capacitance of the dielectric equivalent dielectric constant अर्थात 1 by K equivalent by D is equal to 1 by K1 by T1 plus 1 by K2 by T2 or we can write in this order we can write in another way tale eta kete hala D by K equivalent is equal to T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2 we can write in this order tale D divided by K equivalent अर्थात total K equivalent है क्या total dielectric divided by total distance is equal to sum of T1 by K1 T1 है thickness of this dielectric K1 plus T2 by K2 clear so this is the equivalent dielectric constant when the gap between the two plates are filled in such a manner hela tale even dekhiye special case suppose the thickness of the two dielectric are same अर्थात special case de debe dekhiba special case de debe dekhiba if T1 is equal to T2 hela tal that is kete यदि T1 is equal to T2 हे गला tal that is equal kete गला D by 2 हला कारण जेहेतु एटा समान D tal eta kete गला T1 is equal to T2 is equal to D by 2 then put value here tal D divided by K equivalent is equal to T1 yes D divided by 2 by K1 plus d divided by 2 k2 clear তাহলে কেতে গেল এটি তাহলে we can write তাহলে that is equal to d cancel out তাহলে 1 by k equivalent is equal to 1 by 2 k1 plus 1 by 2 k2 that is equal to LCM 2 k1 k2 তাহলে এটি কেতে গেল k1 plus k2 তাহলে k equivalent is equal to 2 k1 k2 divided by k1 plus k2 তাহলে this is the dielectric equivalent dielectric constant ହେଲା अर्थात if the two dielectric of different dielectric constants are filled between the two plates in such a way that the thickness of the each plate is equal to half of the thickness, half of the capacitor, the separation of the two plates. Then the total equivalent capacitance kate gela 2 k1 k2 by k1 plus k2. Clear? So similarly, we also find the dielectric constant. Suppose eti kon dechi the total distance d is separated by two dielectrics. Ebe dekhiba in another fashion. Helani? Clear? তাহলে বর্তমান দেখিবা suppose we get the dielectric constant in this. Suppose the dielectric are arranged between the two plates in such a way that it divides the area of the plates अर्थात we divide, suppose this is a dielectric, this is the one of the dielectric having dielectric constant, let it be k1 এবং this is another dielectric, let it be k2 ये गोटे आउ गोटे dielectric that is equal to k2 both have same thickness is the same to that of the separation between the two plates, but the area, the half of the car area is filled by one of the dielectric of a dielectric constant k1 and another portion of the region of the is filled by another dielectric that is equal to k2. তাহলে বর্তমানে আমি কোন বাহার করে যাবা similar process তাহলে we get a single dielectric ହେଲା we get a single dielectric তাহলে whose effect is the same অর্থাৎ the capacity of the capacitor will be same. Suppose this single capacitor or single dielectric is kete k equivalent. Now we find the value of k equivalent. The instead of the two capacitors, we use a single, instead of two dielectrics, we use a single dielectric for the same job. Job means for same capacity. Clear? This can be arranged by in two ways, in this way. तो देखो आकु बर्तन भांगी दे परिवा suppose this is one of the capacitor that is filled by dielectric k1 this is k1 thickness kete same thing that is equal to d this is the one of the capacitors and this is the another capacitor let it be this is the another capacitor and it is filled by the another dielectric let it be k2 thickness is the same d but our area let it be a1 our area kete gala a2 clear the area divides so thickness divides and area divides tale bartan dekho ye dita ro resultant ke eta tale bartan dekhe dita kemiti combined hechi tale these two are connected to this common point tale these two are common point and these two are common point tale eti ami kon paile these two are connected in parallel hela tale prathame bhag kare r total capacity kete and r capacity kete then equate them to find the equivalent capacity dielectric constant hela tale prathame eti c1 kete gala tale this is the capacity c1 yes this is c1 r capacity c1 r capacity kete gala c2 yes c1 is equal kete gala we know c is equal to epsilon 0 k a divided by d yes we can write epsilon 0, K means K1, A means A1 divided by D, DL is same thickness. Then epsilon 2, sorry, capacitor of second capacitor C. तल कहते हैं गला epsilon 0 dielectric constant K2, area ला A2 divided by D. Yes. तल are equivalent capacitance कहते हैं. तल they are connected in parallel. तल the equivalent capacitance CP is equal to C1 plus C2. Yes, we can write. तल epsilon 0 K1 A1 divided by D plus that is equal to epsilon 0 K2 A2 divided by D. Clear? So this is the total capacitance of this capacitor, and suppose K equivalent that is equal to C dash is equal to कहते गला epsilon 0 K equivalent A divided by D. है जेहेतु this is equal to this, तल equate them, तल कहते गला Cp is equal to C dash, तल that implies epsilon 0 K equivalent A divided by D is equal to कहते गला, and we take the common, कहते epsilon 0 by D we taking common, epsilon 0 by D we take common, तो रेला कहते K1 A1, yes we can write K1 A1 plus K2 A2. Clear? तले epsilon 0 D cancel out. तले में कौन पहले? तले K equivalent, yes K equivalent into A is equal to कहते हैं गला? That is equal to K1 A1 plus K2 A2. है ना? तले ऐसे में कौन पहले? K into A is equal to constant. तल K into A is equal to K1 A1 plus K2 A2. Kimba, we can write, तल what is the K equivalent? तल K equivalent is equal to K1 A1 plus K2 A2 divided by total A. Clear? तल this is the equivalent capacitor, dielectric constant. If the two dielectrics are arranged in this manner, in this way, in this order, in this fashion, then we can find out the equivalent capacitance, that is equal to K1 A1 plus K2 A2 divided by A. So suppose special case देखिवा, suppose मने करा this R area जहाँ R area बनता है, suppose A1 is equal to A2. तो कौन होगा? If the two plates have same area, तो कौन होगा इधर ले? तो if the two plates, special case, if A1 is equal to A2, if A1 is equal to A2, তাহলে এবং টোটাল এলা কেতে A এবং this is equal to this, তাহলে that is equal to কেতে গেলা A by 2. তাহলে if A1 is equal to A2, that is equal to তাহলে A by 2, then put the values, তাহলে K equivalent is equal to কেতে গেলা yes K1 A by 2 plus K2 A by 2 divided by A. Yes, তাহলে কেতে গেলা ঠিক, তাহলে A is taking common, তাহলে কেতে গেলা এটা, তাহলে এবং 2 common পড়ে আসলা, তাহলে রইলা কেতে তাহলে K1 plus A1 divided by 2. So this is the average value. K equivalent लगे थे K1 plus K2 by 2. Clear? बुझ पहला तो ये थिला हमारा equivalent dielectric constant between the two plates, है ना? तले गुठे लाकिये if the dielectric divides equally, of the thickness of the two plates, if the dielectrics divides equally the thickness of the two plates, ताले से तोड़ कौन होगा? ताले K equivalent कहते पहले yes 2 K1 K2 divided by K1 plus K2. If the area of the plate is divided equally by the two dielectrics, then in that case K equivalent is equal to K1 plus K2 by 2. Clear? So next time देखिए the another most important, that is the common potential between the two capacitors. So what is the common potential between the two capacitors? The most important thing, find out the common potential between the two capacitors when they are connected in parallel. suppose this is a one of the capacitor, yes, so it is a capacitor, and this is another capacitor, and they are arranged like this. So what is the common potential between the two capacitors? So what is the common potential? Common means the initially suppose this is a switch LED, so initially these two capacitors are separate from each other, अर्थात they are not connected together. তাহলে মনে করো আর কেতে গেলা C1 capacity হলা C1 এবং potential হলা কেতে V1 and this capacitor has capacity হলা C2 and potential difference কেতে গেলা V2. Clear? This is a capacitor of a capacity C1 and potential কেতে গেলা V1. This is a capacitor of a capacity C2 and potential হলা V2. তাহলে what is the common potential when the switch is closed? Clear? তাহলে এটা আমি কোন লিখলে when মনে করো suppose key is open, when key is open ହେଲା তাহলে এটি কেতে রইলা C1 V1 এটি হলা C2 V2 তাহলে বর্তমান আর যদি ক্যাপাসিটি আছে C1 and it is charged by a potential কেতে গেলা V1 and it is a capacitor which is charged by a potential কেতে গেলা V2 মানে this is a capacitor it is charged by V1, this is a capacitor charged by V2. তাহলে what is the charge here? তাহলে as we know C is equal to Q by V, as we know C is equal to Q by V, then that implies the charge on the capacitor is equal to CV. Clear? Then when key is closed, the charge in the capacitor C1, then Q1 kete gala, that is equal to C1 V1. Clear? Similarly, what is the charge in the capacitor C2? তাহলে যেহেতু capacitor is charged by a potential V2, then the charge কেতে গেলা C2 and V2. Clear? C2 V2 ହେଲା তাহলে this is the charge in capacitor C1 and this is the charge in the capacitor C2. ଏବେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା when the key is closed, when key is closed, yes, when key is closed তাহলে কোন হবে when key is closed यदि key close कर दबा তাহলে কোন হবে এটি তাহলে what is the common potential between the two capacitors? তাহলে this is the common potential ହେଲା the common potential কেতে এটি potential কেতে দিলা V1 V2 but common potential কেতে V তাহলে if V is equal to common potential, V is equal to কেতে গেলা common potential of kahara C1 and C2 because they are connected in parallel. As they are connected in parallel, the potential between A and B कौन होगा सोता? Suppose this is the A and B, तो कौन होगा? Potential will be same in parallel grouping. है the two capacitors connected in parallel grouping, तो V is common. है the potential is constant. तो माने the V is the common potential. तो now we find the common potential. Clear? तो common potential क्या था? तो it can be arranged. It is equivalent. तो कौन होगा? तो common potential कहते हैं? Yes. तो common potential माने करो V. Common potential कहते हैं गला V. है ना? Common potential V. तो we have to find out the common potential. And these two capacitors are connected in parallel. So this is equal to common capacity कहते हैं C. Similarly, common charge कहते हैं ना Q. Common charge है ना Q. But total charge. है ना? तो this is equivalent to this. This is equivalent to a single capacitor जहाँ potential कहते हैं गला V and C among this is equal to Q. तो how can you find out the common potential? तो V हमें किन बाहर करेगा? तो as the two capacitors are connected in series, connected in parallel, so what is the total capacitance? The total capacitance is equal to C1 V1. Clear? The total capacitance C कहते हैं गला तो C जेहेतु they are connected in parallel, that is equal to C1 plus C2. है तो C1 C2 व्हाट इज द टोटल चार्ज इन द कैपेसिटर ताले एटी कैपेसिटर केते अछि Q1 एटी केते अछि Q2 तो टोटल चार्ज केते गेला ताले टोटल चार्ज है लगते Q इज इक्वल टू Q1 प्लस Q2 है ताले व्हाट इज द कॉमन पोटेंशियल बा टोटल पोटेंशियल केते गेला टोटल हमर जान छै C is equal to Q by P by V is equal to Q by C ताले व्हाट इज द टोटल बा कॉमन पोटेंशियल केते गेला ताले वी कैन राइट है ताले दिस कैन बी रिटन एज Q1 केते अछि that is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 क्लियर ताले वर्तमान टोटल चार्ज हलाते कि टोटल कैपेसिटेंस हलाते कि तबे कॉमन पोटेंशियल केते गेला एवं टोटल पोटेंशियल केते नै जामे V ताले कॉमन पोटेंशियल केते गेला ताले तेब V is equal to केते V is equal to Q by C ताले V is equal to Q by C ताले that is equal to Q केते बारछि ताले that is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by केते गेला C1 plus C2 क्लियर ताले दिस इज योर कॉमन पोटेंशियल हैला ताले केन बात केला जान पहिला ताले द कॉमन पोटेंशियल मींस टोटल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू कैपेसिटर्स व्हेन दे आर कनेक्टेड इन दिस वे अर्थात गोटे हैला वन ऑफ द कैपेसिटर चार्ज्ड बाय ए पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस V1 another capacitor is charged by a potential difference V2 तबे व्हाट इज द कॉमन पोटेंशियल बिटवीन द टू कैपेसिटर्स ताले दीटा प्लेट भितरे कॉमन पोटेंशियल केते हला दैट इज इक्वल टू V is equal to Q by C that is the C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2 क्लियर ताले गोटे क्वेश्चन देखिबा द कॉमन पोटेंशियल पे सपोज ए कैपेसिटर इज चार्ज्ड हला सपोज सबल लिखियो क्वेश्चन ए capacitor for microfarad is charged by 10 volt. A capacitor for microfarad is charged by 100 volt. Is charged by 100 volt. Hello? And is connected with and charged by 100 volt and then it is connected to and it is then connected to another capacitor of 6 microfarad so what is the charge in each capacitor and the common potential between the two so find the charge in each capacitor hala ba find the common potential find the common potential yes then how can you find out the common potential tale kon kala dekho tale what are the given a capacitor for microfarad is charged by 100 volt yes tale initially gote capacitor dala tale here C1 is equal to 4 microfarad yes we can write 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad then is it charged by 100 volt tale Q1 dala kete 100 volt and it is connected with a parallel it is connected ka sathe lagichi C2 that is equal to 6 microfarad tale we can write 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad hala ni this is uncharged capacitor hala the another capacitor 6 microfarad but it is uncharged because that is not connected in any volt tale it is V2 kete achi uncharged that means 0 so magichi what is the common potential yes so common potential kete clear hala so initially when a capacitor is charged by 100 volt then this capacitor is discharged by another capacitor ହେଲା ଆମେ ଲେଖିପାରିବା ଦ another କ'ଣ 100 volt then it is discharged ନ ଲେଖିପାରିବ it is connected ନ ଲେଖି ଆମେ ଲେଖିପାରିବା it is discharged by ଲେଖିପାରିବା it is discharged by another capacitor. It is discharged by another capacitor 6 microfarad. Clear? Hala? Tale kon hoba ethi? Tale find the common potential. Tale after discharging, tale what is the common potential? Tale lekha. Prathe se kahila it is a capacitor. Yes. It is charged by 100 volt. Tale this is the capacitor of 4 microfarad and it is charged by 100 volt. It is charged by 100 volt. Then after charging तल कौन करा गला तल दिस इज ए कैपेसिटर कौन अछि 4 माइक्रोफैराड एंड इट इज चार्ज बाय 100 वोल्ट देन एटा चार्ज हे गला परे इट इज डिस्चार्ज्ड बाय अनदर कैपेसिटर एठी हमें कौन कले आ गुटे कैपेसिटर लगेले अनदर कैपेसिटर इट इज द अनचार्ज्ड कैपेसिटर इट इज 6 माइक्रोफैराड दिस इज अनचार्ज्ड it is uncharged capacitor. Clear? It is a charged capacitor. This is your charged capacitor and this is your uncharged capacitor. Clear? Sati kon thila C2 is charged by another potential difference nahi edi C is uncharged to mane potential difference kate rela V2 kate rela 0. Then find the common potential between the two capacitors. Tebe edi common potential kate hoba? Yes, we can go but derive the same regarding by same theory पूर्व theory answer बाहर करि परिबा किंबा we can use the direct formula of common potential तले V is equal to common potential common charge by common कौन कहि परिबा capacitor but total charge by total capacitor total charge केते बारतिला C1 V1 हमरो डायरेक्ट फार्मूला C1 V1 by C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2. This is 0. Kimba you can say, but it is uncharged, total charge kate 0. If you put the value of V2 0, then Q2 madhya 0. That is equal to C1 V1 divided by C1 plus C2. Yes, you can write 4 microfarad 10 to the power minus 6 into 100 divided by this is the 4 microfarad 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 plus 6 microfarad 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 we can write 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 100 divided by 6 4 10 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad 10 to the minus 6 cancel out. So now find out the total capacitance total common potential total voltage by common potential kete gala this can be written as 10 this is cancel out that is equal to 40 volt. Yes, the common potential is kete gala 40 volt initially kon thila 100 volt ebe kete gala common potential is 40 volt. Clear? So this is the common potential we can in this way you can find out the common potential between the two capacitors hala. Suppose we consider the another problem hala bartan dekhiba the two capacitors are charged by two different potentials find the common potential tale suppose like two capacitors hala 4 microfarad we can write 4 microfarad hala and the two capacitors 4 microfarad hala nan likhiba suppose देखो a capacitor of 4 microfarad is charged by a 100 volt and another capacitor mane kar 6 microfarad and another capacitor another capacitor is charged by a 120 volt by a 120 volt. ಅಲ್ಲ find agree charge in its capacitor, charge in its capacitor, charge in its capacitor, charge in its capacitor, and দুইরে common potential when they are arranged, common potential when they are connected in a parallel हला common potential दरगिन बात करियो तल कौन कले से तो प्रथमे a capacitor 4 microfarad is charged by 100 volt. Yes, तल किन बात करियो तल here C1 is 4 microfarad. Yes, we can write 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad, and it is charged by a potential V1 the 100 volt. This is the first capacitor. Hala? Tal what we get? Tal what is the total charge? Tal from this we can find out the Q1. Hala? C is equal to Q by V. C is equal to Q by V. Tal V is equal to Q C1 V1. Tal this is equal to C1 V1. Tal that is equal to C1 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 into V1 100. Tal yes. Tal we can write 4 into 400. 400 into 10 to the power minus 6. So 400 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. 400 microcoulomb. Clear? Then second capacitor C2. C2 is it is a capacitor of another capacitor 6 microfarad. 6 microfarad is charged by 120 volt. Yes, 6 microfarad. So that is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 and charged by a potential 120 volt. Yes. So what is the total charge? So Q2 is equal to C2 V2. So that is equal to C2 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 into V2 120. So this is equal to 1272 720 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Clear? So Q1 bhari Q2 bhari. So first question kaise what but charge in each capacitors. तो प्रत्येक कैपेसिटर चार्ज करते तल we can write तल this is equal to आमे लिख परिबा 400 yes micro coulomb. This can be written as 720 micro coulomb. Clear? So these are the charge in the different capacitors. तो एबे मागी से common potential. What is the common potential? Yes, common potential. तले common potential. So we can find the common potential. Second point nela common potential. Common potential. Yes, write the common potential. So V is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2. That is equal to C1 plus C2. This is equal to Q1. Yes, I mean agar paisa se Q1 plus Q2 divided by C1 plus C2. जेहेतु मैं आगुरी चार्ज पाई सारी C आउ थारे गुणिया किसी आवश्यक नहीं तले कितने गला 400 ये लगे 720 तले 400 plus 720 micro means 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb divided by C1 plus C2. C1 कितने थिला 4 micro coulomb. Yes, plus 6 micro. Yes, 10 to the power minus 6 farad. This is cancelled out. Clear? तरवेला कितने तल this. Then you find the common potential. तले 400 येला 700 7 4 11 तले 1120 divided by 10. Clear? तले 1120 by 10. This is cancelled out. तरवेला कितने 112 volt. Yes, the common potential is 112 volt. Clear? তাহলে common potential কেতে গেলা 112 volt. তাহলে in this way, by in this ଆମେ ଏମିତି କ'ଣ କରିପାରିବା the total capacitance ବାହାର କରି ପାରିବା. Clear? So this is your common potential between kaha vitare two capacitors when they are charged by different potentials. Clear? Tale etila amara common potential and this one. So next time dekhiba energy of a capacitor. So what is the energy stored in a capacitor? Gote capacitor re kete energy store hoche hela ne. So how much energy stored in a capacitor? Gote capacitor re kete energy store hoche. What do you mean by energy stored in a capacitor? तले गोटे कैपेसिटर रे केते एनर्जी स्टोर होछ केमनी बात करिबा. तले आगर में जानि छे द एनर्जी स्टोर इज नथिंग बट एटा कोन दैट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ डू वर्क, द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन. तले दिस इज द एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन ए कैपेसिटर. हला तले वी कैन राइट एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन ए capacitor. Yes. Then how much energy is stored in a capacitor? Suppose a capacitor is charged by a potential difference. This is a battery V. Then we connect a potential V and this is a capacity C. The capacitor of capacity C is connected with a potential difference V. Then it is बर्तन केते energy store है बर्तन बाहर करिवा. What is the energy stored in a capacitor? The energy stored in a capacitor is nothing but it is the amount of work done. 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 Hala? To कौन पाई? To store the charge. To store the charge. Capacitor काम कौन? To store the charge. तले charge store करिवा पाई how much work is done? It is the amount of work done to store the charge in a capacitor. In a capacitor. किए charge store करिवा? By charge दबा किए? This is a source. By a source. By a source. Clear? तले गोटे source केते कार्य करू से गोटे capacitor को charging करिवा पाई आदर चार्ज स्टोर करिया पाई केते कार्य करूछि दैट वर्क इज नथिंग बट इट इज द एनर्जी स्टोर्ड. तले इट इज द एनर्जी स्टोर्ड ड्यू टू इट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन टू स्टोर द चार्ज इन ए कैपेसिटर बाय ए सोर्स. क्लियर? सपोज ए कैपेसिटर ऑफ अ कैपेसिटी केते C इज कनेक्टेड विथ ए पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस केते V. हला तले कोन होबो एट एनी इंस्टेंट suppose Q is the charge stored in the capacitor. हला तले suppose तमाने करो let a capacitor of capacity C, let a capacitor of a capacity C is connected by the charge लिख परिवा is charged by a source of potential कहते हैं V, by a source of potential कहते हैं V. क्लियर? तला में उड़े कैपेसिटर C को चार्ज कले कासा जरूर उड़े पोटेंशियल वाले सोर्स अलड़ी जार पोटेंशियल कहते हैं V. At any instant, Q be the charge stored in the capacitor. At any instant, Q be the charge stored in the capacitor. Q be the charge stored in the capacitor. So when there is a charge Q, the rising potential कहते हैं and small v, and v be the rise in potential. When the charge given to the capacitor, there is a rise in potential. Rise in potential. Clear? But capacity is constant for a given capacitor. C is equal to then that implies C is equal to Q by V. C is equal to Q by V. That implies what about Q? Q is equal to CV, but V is equal to Q by C. V is equal to Q by C. V is equal to Q by C. Suppose with further charge dq. मने करेक्ट पोटेंशियल V. Suppose if dw be the work done, dw be the work done by the source, if dw be the work done by the source, to charge further by dq. What is the work done? dw is equal to v into dq. What is the v? V is equal to q by c into dq. Yes. dq charge को store करिबा पाई, how much work is done by the capacitor, by the source? Now dw is equal to q by c into dq. If we interested by if we charge the capacitor from 0 to total charge माने करा q. How much work is done? net work done